Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on Lisa's iconic eyeliner look from their newest music video. This is a super cool and unique eyeliner look, so let's just get started. So starting off with the makeup look, I'm going to be using the CANMAKE No Shadow Powder just to add a little bit more definition to my nose. And this step is optional, you guys don't have to copy what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get a little bit more of a similar facial structure to hers, but not exactly copy it. Using that same powder, I'm going to be using a fluffier brush just to apply that to the sides of my face to give me more of a slimmer look. Onto the brows, I'm going to be using the CLIO tattoo pen, and I wasn't quite sure what kind of eyebrow shape she has since she does have bangs, so I just went with a more arch type of style. Again, you guys don't have to follow this step, you can just go with whatever eyebrow shape you have. Then I just combed out my eyebrows and I used this lighter brow mascara from the same tattoo pen just to help lighten up my eyebrow hairs. Next, using my favorite eyeshadow base, I'm just going to be priming my eyes and also carving out my eyebrows just to make them look a bit more defined and cleaner. Every night another fight. Do you plan to win? What's your motive? What's your drive? Even when you're losing, beat the odds to die trying like you got no option. You know what you got inside. Why don't you show it? What's keeping you up? After blending that all out, I'm going to be using this light cream shade from the E.L.F eyeshadow palette just to set everything. This also ensures that my eyeshadow won't crease throughout the day. So onto the actual eyeshadow look, I'm going to be going into the same E.L.F palette and using this light tan color and just putting that all over my crease and lid. In the MV, it didn't really look like she was wearing a lot of color on her eyes since the look was more focused on the eyeliner, so this is a pretty simple look to follow. Using that same tan color along with a light brown that has a little bit more of a rosier undertone, I'm going to be placing that on my lower lash line. And by doing so, this will add more definition to the look, and that's basically all for the eyeshadow. It's pretty simple. And I'm just going to be drawing the line straight out so that it doesn't connect with my top lash line. Next, onto eyeliner, I'm going to be switching in between the CLIO and STILA one since they're kind of running out of ink. But I'm just going to be drawing a straight line across my eyes from the inner corners all the way to the outer corners. And by doing so, this helps to make my eyes look rounder and wider. Next, I'm going to be drawing a straight line just as if I was doing a regular eyeliner look, but I'm not going to be connecting it to the line that I initially drew. Let me show you. Now onto probably the most difficult step, and I'm only going to be showing this on one eye since it's a lot easier and less. Basically, I'm just drawing a line along where my crease is and connecting it to the wing I just drew, and this all depends on your eye shape. Since I do have hooded eyelids, I have to draw the line a little bit higher than my original crease line just so that the line is visible when I open my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using a small eyeshadow brush along with some black eyeshadow mixed with some setting spray just to further clean up the lines and make them look more opaque. And I did make a lot of mistakes as well, so I just used some concealer and makeup remover to clean it up off camera. So for the best results, just take your time, and if you make any mistakes, that's okay because you can always clean it up again later. Next, I aligned the inner corners of my eyes, and this is similar to the last step I just did. So just follow your crease line, and if you do have hooded eyelids like I do, you can just make the line a bit higher. One tip I have is to do your eyeliner with your eyes open, and just look in the mirror and see if your liner is visible or not when you open your eyes. If it isn't, you can make that liner thicker, and it may look messy when you do close your eyes, but it looks perfectly fine when it's open. Another tip I have is to use eyeshadow as a guideline before you use your liquid liner. As you can see, I did this on my left eye and it made it a lot easier to just draw on the lines. Onto the final eyeliner step, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil just to tightline my eyes. Next, I'm just going to be curling my lashes and applying on some mascara. And I also did apply some onto my lower lash line, but I did that off camera. Finally, I'm going to be taking this gold highlighter and placing that on my inner corners just to brighten up everything, and that's all for the look. So this is the final eye look. It took a super long time to do, but I'm really pleased with the end result. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do subscribe and like if you want to see more of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
두 손엔 가득한 fat checks 궁금하면 never fact check 눈 높인 꼭대기 물 만난 물고기 좀 톡해 난 toxic 유혹해